Let's take a quick look at how to use a Casio calculator. And this is true for most Casio calculators. I'm not going to say it's true for every single model, but it is true for most Casio calculators. So we're just going to do some very basic trig calculations using the calculator. The first thing you need to do though is make sure it's on degrees. So see this little guy right there? Might be hard to see. That is a D, so we need to make sure it's on degrees. If it is not in degrees, you need to hit the shift button and then you need to hit clear. So here we have mode and clear, CLR, we're gonna hit clear. And then you want to select all, which is number 3. And then you just hit the equal sign. It resets everything. And then you just hit on and you should be at degrees. So let's do our first question. We're going to round sine of 32 degrees to 1 decimal place. So sine 32 is equal to. So on this calculator, just going to push the sine button, which is right here. And then what you're going to do is you are going to open a bracket. Some calculators do the bracket for you, and you're going to put in 32 and you're going to close the bracket. That makes sure that it's only doing the sine of 32 and nothing else. And this will be important when you're using other numbers in your calculation. Then you hit equals and we get 0.52991 and so on. But we're going to round to 1 decimal place. So this is equal to approximately 0.5. Okay, we're gonna hit the on button, clear it again. So our next question is to solve for x, and in this case we're going to be rounding to a whole number. And this is what you'll be doing if you are solving for an angle, right? X would be that missing angle, and we would have our opposite side and our hypotenuse, right? So these would be side lengths. So you would have a setup like this. X is equal to sine, the inverse of sine, but it looks like a little exponent of -1 of 3.1 divided by 4.8. So now to get x in your calculator, you need to get that sine to the -1 that is right here above sine. So you're going to hit shift, you're going to hit that sine button, which gives you the sine to the -1, bracket 3.1 divided by 4.8, close bracket, hit the equal sign. So here we get 40.22818 and so on, and we're rounding to a whole number. So this would be equal to 40. And in this case, this would always be an angle, so we are going to put a little degree sign right there for our units.